Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great. Today we're going to be working on the get choice function and also a few small fixes going along here. So we can keep working on this game in peace, right? There's a lot of crap that we need to fix before we can get going. But anyway, before we get started, please check out the description box. Got a bunch of useful links down there. Follow me on Twitter, follow us on Discord, drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. Otherwise, let's just keep going. So what we want to do, first of all, is go into the functions.cpp. So I added a few things here that I thought would be nice, but let's just get started. So I'm going to do a const std string, but I do have std included, I think. Maybe I don't. Std string, not here at least. Menu str, that's what you want to say. Okay, so we're gonna get the choice, a menu string and a stream size. I'm just gonna copy this menu string here, and this is so that when there is an error, we're gonna print out the menu string as we keep asking for the new input. And that's important because the user needs to know kind of what the hell is going on, what I need to know basically too, what options do I have, even if there is an error. So we want to do that. I want to repeat that. So I'm going to print out menu string. We have a few errors here. I'm not going to do that. Menu str. Sorry. There you go. Menu str. There you go. So I'm not going to clear the stream before I even input anything, because that can cause errors. What I want to do, if it fails, I'm going to clear it. And at the end, I'm going to clear it. So basically what sin clear does is it clears the error flag for cin. So we can continue with our inputs. And ignore means that it will ignore this many inputs or this many characters in the cin buffer, basically the stream of input, until it hits a new line character. So it's going to remove everything until it hits enter. The reason for this being after cin is because we're guaranteed to have pressed enter or some kind of a basically enter here, and then there will be an enter in the stream. So it's going to remove everything before that. And what I had before, if you have it up here, is going to wait for an extra enter before you can keep inputting. So you can try that out. You can keep it up here. You can see what happens. But if we do it like this, it should be correct. So let's see. So faulty input. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a system CLS up here, which is going to clear the stream, or not clear the stream, but the screen. Basically just tell us there's a faulty input. System pause. I'm going to pause it as well. Pause it. And then after that, I'm going to do a cout new line. Clear the stream, everything. Print out the menu string, and then print out the choice variable, or actually input the choice variable. And then I need this whole thing here because I just want one choice. I don't want multiple numbers here. So there we go. And then we clear it and ignore. Clear, ignore. That should be fine. And then the menu string, basically we want to build that up. Okay, we want to build that up. And how does this work? This returns a string, a menu title, menu item. Okay, so that's cool. That's cool and all. So let's just go ahead here and try this out. So let's go into game.cpp. Our main menu is a good choice. I don't want to use this. I'm just going to do system pause here. So we're just going to pause the system, clear it. It just tells us which character has been loaded in. And then we got level up available, all that stuff as well. Main menu. Maybe I want to put that in after the main menu here. And then I'm going to create something called a string stream, right? Which we have been using if you watched the videos before. So the idea is to print everything out to the menu string instead of directly to the screen. So we can send it in to this get choice function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a menu string like that. And also I'm going to do a GUI menu title main menu like this. And then we got the level up available. We'll fix something for that. We'll kind of make a alert type thing like this, something like that. It'll look cool, you know, whatever, just some flair to it. You can add whatever you want here, exactly whatever you want. So don't worry about that. And then we got the active character, which will be our submenu type thing. I don't think I have anything for submenu yet. GUI, I was gonna fix that, but yeah, we'll figure that out. And then menu divider as well. Functions, menu divider, amount. Let me just kind of, let's see, menu amount 40. Just add 40 to it, and usually we have a symbol which is something like that, right? Or just a simple line just like that. That's usually what we use in our divider. So I'm just gonna do that. Go back and active character, that's fine. We'll just add some space there maybe. And then the menu divider here, GUI menu divider. And we'll also do that to menu string. Don't forget, we want to kind of replace all the couts with the menu string. String stream. Just add all of those down there, even that. And then instead of the choice here, I'm just going to do get choice down here. Get choice, this choice. So we're going to input the choice into that variable. And then menu string dot string. And then stream size 1. Boom. Okay. And then we're just gonna go ahead and remove all of this, all that stuff, and yeah, there you go. So that's pretty much what we want to do. And then the choice will control itself. And then, do I have anything here? Item? No. Cout. I'll just have a simple cout right now. No such error. No such menu option. We'll just do it like that. Professional looks good. New line, and then another new line. Boom, something like that. You know, it doesn't really matter. Whatever you want to do. Maybe a system pause in here as well, just to tell the user, you know, you done goofed up. Don't do this. You're a noob. Why are you even playing this game? So there you go. Boom, perfect. And then up here, we got all our things here. We can just do this. GUI menu item 0 quit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick. It'll make our life a little easier later on. I know there are a lot of items here, but let's just do that. Let's just fix it. Travel down here, and just remove that. Go ahead and move that. Level up should be number 2. 2, that's 1. Level up, and that is number 2. Number 3 is rest. Just gonna put in rest here. Go ahead and just fix this for yourself. You can just move up in the video. You can just fast forward if you want. Am I even recording? Yeah, you can just fast forward if you want. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix all of these now, just for the sake of it. What was that even? Character sheet. Character sheet. Level up should be small u there. Fine. Number 5, create new character. Number 5, create new character. Cool. Select character, save. Character on 6. Save and load. Okay, so save and load. 7 and 8. Save, load. I'll just do that. I'll just have save and load there. So there we go. We got a nice little menu going. Sorry about that taking some time. But hopefully now the menu string will be saved in this, and it will be printed out if we do actually get in with some wrong input. It should handle that on its own. Shouldn't be a big deal. Nope, something went wrong. Let's just see what that was. Error. There you go. Redefinition of. Okay, so maybe I already had that. Maybe I already had that in the H file. Kind of confused myself there. Where are you, you dumb shit? Okay. Are you serious right now? Where is it? Oh, it's in here. That's why it's hidden over here. God damn it. 30 and whatever. Okay, so 30, I had 30 there already. Let's just do this and see if it works. That worked. Okay, we got some type of a thing going on here. Okay, that's cool. Menu title, active character, no level up available. And then what if I say 9? It should say error, no such menu option. Okay, and it gave me 2 system pauses. But that's okay, I guess. Travel. Okay, so it kind of gave me a system pause there. 2 level up, not enough EXP. Okay, so what the hell's going on? Let's go back into functions.cpp. Okay, so I'm not telling the user what's going on. Cout, some flare choice, like that. There you go. There you go. And then the choice up here as well. There you go. Okay, so let's see what the hell's going on. Let's just start this. Boom. All right, we're back right at choice. Let's see. 3. Resting costs you blah blah blah. Already at full health. Okay. Travel. No problems. No problems. All right, doesn't seem to be a problem. It's just if I write a faulty input, it should CLS that after it kind of tells me there was a faulty input. So you get the pause, and then you want to kind of clear that again just to remove this, just so the user knows. Because if I do that, then yeah, there you go. So it looks more normal like that. And what if I do 9, error, no such menu option? Then it gives me 2 system pauses. That's kind of weird. So I'm just going to go ahead into main menu and see what's going on there. So for some reason it gives me 2 system pauses. I'm not sure why. It must be because of this thing, right? Yeah, it must be because of that. So what happens if I say, okay, then I just quit. Okay, fine, whatever. You know what, guys and girls, we're good for this video. It's been nice, educational. So we're just fixing stuff up. I know it's kind of boring. You can go ahead and do this on your own. Just go ahead and skip over to the videos you want to watch about this. I think a few more videos just to fix all these things and make the game more manageable. And then we're gonna add some stuff to enemy, make the boss, and all that stuff. So don't worry about it. This is I know it's tedious, but it's important to make it look a little cooler. Hopefully you learned something in some ways to kind of make things look better and stuff. What I want to do is I just want to go ahead and, before we end the video, I want to add a space right there, and I also want to add a space right there as well. Just a space before everything in general to make it look nice. Then we're gonna add some more functions here, like alert, error, stuff like that, and we'll be good to go. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out the description box. Like I said, follow me on stuff if you want to, on Discord, Twitter, my support page. Also drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. Otherwise, just keep working hard, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. All right, bye bye.